Welcome to our factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how premium buffalo leather is produced, from raw hides to finished luxury leather products.
The tanning process strengthens the leather while preserving its natural texture, durability, and premium quality. Check the chemical balance on line 3. It's dipping.
Adjusting the moisture levels now. The temperature is stabilizing.
Every leather sheet is carefully refined, tested, and prepared for premium manufacturing applications.
And that's how premium buffalo leather is made, from raw material to world-class luxury products. Thanks for joining our factory tour.
Check the manifest for the sole shipment.
Pallet 7B is clear. Move it out.
Every leather product is carefully tested before leaving the factory.